Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue where on your iPhone, when you're trying to remove a payment plan from your Apple account, you get this unable to remove error message, which says basically there is an active subscription on your account that requires at least one payment on file, and you might not even have any subscription and it's just not letting you do it. We're going to show you a couple things to check and how you can also ensure that this message is gone and you're able to remove your payment from your account. So let's dive right into it. The first thing first is obviously go into settings and then go click on your Apple ID. And then once you click on your Apple ID, you will see here under your account on this line is your subscription. So you want to look at subscription. Basically, in the subscription section, you need to ensure that it doesn't have any subscription, like this phone over here where we do not have any active subscription. If you see a subscription, unfortunately you will need to go ahead and click on that and cancel that subscription, and that will prevent you from trying to remove your account. So you can click on subscription you have, and then there will be an option to remove or cancel, which we showed you in another video. We'll leave a link for that. And if you do not have any subscription, you're still getting that issue, there's other things to check. The next thing you want to check is family sharing. So under family sharing, if you have it on, as you can see, we don't have it on, but basically if you had family sharing on for your purchases and iCloud storage, you need to also get that removed. So you'll see something like this if you have family sharing on, and you'll just stop purchase sharing. You click on that and that will stop purchase sharing, which is usually linked with your account for your payment method, which is preventing you from removing your payment method. So now let's say you don't have that and you removed all subscription, you're still having issues. Well, the next thing you need to check is your iCloud plan. So you need to downgrade your iCloud plan from, if you're paying for it, to the free version. And if you are, you'll be able to manage storage. And under this section for manage storage, you'll see here that you'll have the option. We're on the free version, but if you selected another version, you need to downgrade to 5 gig, which is the free one default, so that you don't have that payment attached to your iCloud plan for it. So that's going to be the other thing to check for. Now let's say you're still having the issue not being able to remove your payment method. What else can you do? Well, the next thing you need to do is actually, it's going to be making sure that there is no outstanding balance linked with your Apple ID. And that, what we mean by that is if you're buying stuff through app or through the app store, or even just have a balance like in your actual account, you'll need to contact Apple customer service, which you can do through their website, or simply call them and let them know, see if there is any outstanding balance. Now those are going to be the easiest way to make sure that your payment plan, it can be removed. Now let's say all of that is good and you're still having the issue. Now this is the final tip, which probably fixes the issue for most people, and that's going to be around this media and purchases. So we're still in our Apple ID. We're going to click on media and purchases, and what we're going to do is view account here. So we'll click on view account. Once we do that, so I'm just going to hide the screen really quick here so that I can cover the personal data here. But you want to click on view account. It might take a moment, or you might have to re-enter your Apple ID or Face ID if you have that turned on. So click on, again, media and purchases, and then click on view account. And then as you can see here, when you try to do view account, you'll need to enter your account password. So we'll put in our password here. That's your Apple ID password. So whatever account you're signed in, you need to enter the Apple ID for it. So once you enter your Apple ID, you'll get this screen here with your Apple ID, and then you'll see this bunch of options here around a subscription as well, and that you can remove from here as well, and then a couple other things. Now you want to do is go ahead and this option that you have where country and region, you want to click on country and region, and then you're going to go ahead and change country or region, but not really change it. Basically, you want to click on that. So click on that and then just ensure that whatever region you're in, just reselect it again one more time. Once you do that, you'll get this terms and agreement, and then you'll hit agree here. So once you hit agree, you're going to get this message here. We're going to hit agree, and then just hiding some personal information here. But basically, once you have done that, you get this other menu option, which allows you to actually select none for payment. As you can see here, you might already have a payment in the past, but you actually have the option to not have any payment. So we'll select none here. So once you select none here, as you can see here, the other information for the credit card, and that will be gone, and you'll hit next. And after you do that, you are now just removed all the payment plan that you had, and there should go away. So hopefully all of this video stuff that we mentioned help you guys remove that. Again, that was going to be, again, if you missed it, we're going to be going into media and purchases, and then you're going to view your account and then sign in and then change the country or region, which you're not really changing. You're just looking to get to that menu where you can select a none. So if any of this video helped you guys with the tip, make sure you guys let us know which one helped. Put a comment in the comment section and make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.